Reduce the number of nut drivers in your bag with these convenient multi-nut drivers, featuring the most common hex sizes all in one tool. The bits are interchangeable, so you won't have to go back to your bag to get another nut driver. Heavy-duty shafts exceed the torque performance of common nut drivers. Each shaft is color-coded for easy size identification. Classic Klein cushion grip handles provide added torque and comfort. The multi-nut drivers are available in two models, a 5-in-1 and a 6-in-1 nut driver. Get your job done faster and lighten your load with multi-nut drivers from Klein Tools. Klein Tools, for professional tradespeople since 1857.
You know the deal. Magnetic nut setters work great until metal shards clog up around the magnet, reducing screw fit, reducing magnet strength, and slowing you down. That's why DeWalt's impact-ready cleanable nut setter is designed with a sliding button to push out the debris. Now, in a few seconds, the metal shards are gone. Even after driving many screws into metal, the impact-ready cleanable nut setter can be cleaned to offer optimal fit, to drive fasteners securely and evenly, while keeping a consistent holding power through the life of the nut setter. The impact-ready cleanable nut setter from DeWalt. Guaranteed tough.
Okay, so here's the deal on spiral saws. They're not just for cutting drywall. With the right tool and the right bits and the right attachments, you can cut all sorts of different materials. Now, RotoZip invented the spiral saw, and this is their latest, the RotoSaw. There's a lot to love about this tool. It's great for doing freehand cuts, and you can even do plunge cuts with various materials, and you don't even need to make a pilot hole. And you can adjust the depth of the cut with just the turn of a screw. The 5.5 amp motor spins at 30,000 RPMs, and this motor actually senses if you're bearing down too hard and automatically slows down to keep the tool from overheating. And of course, what you cut is pretty much up to you. The RotoSaw is part of a spiral cutting system that works with over 20 RotoZip cutting bits for everything from plywood and drywall to sheet metal and tile. Now, it also works with some really handy attachments, like this circle cutter. And there's also a dust collection attachment that connects with most shop vacuums. Bottom line, you gotta try the RotoSaw for yourself. It's powerful, it's lightweight, it feels great in your hand, and it lets you control any cut.